Hello friends, this is Divya Goel. Welcome to my channel Creative Study with Coding, where we'll learn programming in Python from day 1. In this video, we'll continue data types in Python, and these are the data types in Python, and we have already learned numeric data type with examples and demos in previous video. In this video, we'll see about string. So let's get started quickly. So what is a string in Python? It is a contiguous set of characters written in double quotation or single quotation marks. Strings are like arrays and its indices are from 0 to n minus 1. So in this example, P will be at index 0, Y at 1, T at 2, H at 3, O at 4 and N at 5. One more important thing about Python is Python doesn't have a character data type, and a single character is also considered a string of length 1, and len function is used to find the length of a string, and str function is used to typecast or convert values to string form. And typecasting, we have already learned about it in previous video. Let's see how to access string values. We can access string values in many ways. First one is use a square bracket with index number to access the required element of the string. Let's consider an example. Here I have taken a string named Python and have assigned a variable named A and want to access first element of the string, which is P. So I will write A0 along with print statement to get the required output. And second one is use a slice operator with index number within a square bracket to access the required elements of the string. The slice operator m:(n) accesses the string, starts with the character at index m and goes up to n minus 1. In this example, Python is a string stored in a variable a, and if I want to access yt, then I will have to write print variable name a 1:3 within a square bracket. And when you skip first index, or you can say before the colon, the slice starts at the beginning. Thus in this example, if I write print a:4 within square bracket, it will print all the elements starting from index 0 to 3. And if you skip the second index, the slice goes to the end of the string. Thus in this example, if I write print a:4 within square bracket, it will print all the elements from index 4 to the end. And only colon operator within a square bracket is used to access all the elements of the string. So in this example, if I write print a:, within a square bracket, it will print all the elements of a string. So it will print here Python. For loop is used to access all the elements of the string. Python for loop iterates or repeats over a list of elements of string, array, list, etc. And this is a syntax of for loop in Python. Here value represents one element of the list at a time and access the value one by one from the given sequence. So in this example, first time it will access the value p that is stored at index 0, then y from index 1, after that t from index 2, then h, next o, and last n from the given string Python. And will print on the screen as output. Now let's see membership operator in and not in. This is used to check if a character or certain phrase is present or not in a given string. Here given string is Python is very popular, that is stored in A, and if I want to check is present in this string or not, then I will have to write print is in a single quote in A, then it will return true because it is present in the given string. And if I want to check the is present in this string or not, I will have to write print the in A. It will return false because it is not present in the given string. And when we write multiplication sign, it repeats the string. Here the given string is hello, and if I write a multiplied by 3, it will print hello 3 times. And plus sign is used to concatenate the given string. For example, the given string is good and I want to add job by using plus sign, so it will give the result good job. Now let's execute all these statements. Since a string is a contiguous set of characters written in double quotation or single quotation marks, first of all write a string in double quotation mark and run it by using print statement, and you can see the output. Now write the string in single quotation marks and execute it with the help of print statement. You can see the output over here. Now write a string in triple double quotes. Then run it by using print statement. It will work as multi-line comment. Here I am writing Python is very useful and popular programming language. Execute it with the help of print statement. Write print str2 and you can see it has printed multi-line comment. You can do same thing by using triple single quotes. Here I am writing a sentence. Hi, I am from Delhi. Where are you from? Now execute it by using print statement. You can see it is also working as a multi-line comment. Now let's find the length of the string. Here I am writing a string Python and storing it in a variable string3. Then use len function along with print function and it is showing the length of the string. Access first element of the string, which is p. For this, write print statement, use that variable str and pass index 0 and we get the output over here. Now let's see use of slice operator. Use slice operator with print statement with variable in which string has been stored. Here I didn't write the variable name in which string has been stored. That's why it has shown error. Let's write again. Print statement, variable in which string has been stored, str3. Then write 1:3 and we get the output yt. Now if I write print statement and variable str3 in which Python has been stored and a multiplication sign and integer number, then it will print the string 3 times as you can see over here. And if I write plus sign with a string and write another string with this, it will concatenate the string in the existing string. As you can see, it has written Python programming. Now let's access the string by using for loop. First of all, write a string and assign it in str variable. Then use for loop for variable in string name str. Then print statement, pass the variable name. and you can see the output over here. Python, it has been printed. Okay friends, that's it in this video. We will see sequence data type in the next video. If you found this video helpful, do share so that your friends can learn Python in the right way.